Hey guys, Mr. Rock here, and welcome to your second day of distance learning in IB Biology. Today's date is Wednesday, April 1st, and at this point, really all you should have done is your option C1 species and community notes done. So if you have that done, way to go, nice work. And like I said, we're going to be starting off with a daily question every single day, and today's daily question is, what is a niche? So what is a niche in ecosystem and ecology terms? And you want to answer that in the daily question response form by 2 p.m. And that is how I'm going to be taking your attendance for today. So remember, that is our due now for science class, and you need to do that by 2 p.m. today in order for me to take your attendance. So really, distance learning and the way the week breaks down in biology is there's going to pretty much be a day of notes just like we used to have, and then there's going to be a day of you with activities. So it's pretty much going to be PowerPoint activities. So you did the PowerPoint on Monday, today is going to be the activities. So the first activity is an option C1 learning check. Those are set up just like we've done learning checks in the past, where you can take as many attempts as you want on them. So they're like fake quizzes, and they're actual IB questions to help you prepare for the test and see how much you learned from Monday. The second thing is going to be a C1 short answer response. So one thing I just want to be clear on is you are going to be responding. I think that one has 5 questions in it, and you are going to be typing up short answer responses, well-developed, in-depth thoughts and answers, incomplete sentences for those 5 questions. We are going to be turning this in through Schoology. So in Schoology, when you click on C1 short response submission, there's a little gray box and it says cloud submission, and you need to click on that box and click off of cloud submission and click Google Drive, because you need to make a copy of that document. You'll type your answers in the document, and then you're going to submit it through Schoology because they've now paired it with turnitin.com. So you need to click on the little gray box when you go to turn that in, whenever you're ready to turn it in, cloud submission, or it says something cloud, and then click on that and click on Google Drive instead, and it'll take you to your Google Drive so that you can submit it. One thing for learning in this is copying and pasting just answers from the PowerPoint is not a good idea. One, you're not really putting things, and you're not synthesizing, and you're not putting things into your own words. But then number 2, it is going through turnitin.com. So be sure that you're creating and generating your own responses, and really try to do your best to understand the stuff and put it into your own words. So there's that there, C1 short answer response. And then the final thing is going to be the ecology review for the essentials biology test. Like I said in my previous video, there's going to be 2 main things that you're accountable for when you come back. 1, we are going to be taking the option C test. And then number 2, we are going to be doing an essentials biology exam. And this essentials biology exam, there's going to be a study guide or a study review for each topic. So I went over all the topics in the last video, and it maybe seemed a little overwhelming, but you're going to have a study review for every single topic that's going to be on that test. And like I said in the last video, the essentials biology exam is mainly just a chance to check your understanding of biology after 3 years of taking biology through South St. Paul. So they're really just fundamental concepts. There are no IB questions on the test. It is fundamental stuff like, what is the food web, or what is the trophic level, or define mutualism, stuff that was taught in 10th grade and then retaught again through your IB class. So for that review, you're going to want to do that on a separate sheet of paper, and then you're going to just have all of these sheets of paper, these reviews sheets of paper, and then you're just going to turn them in when we come back to class. As of right now, it's set on May 4th, but that may change. So you're going to bring those papers in and turn them in the first day when we get back. So just do your questions on a separate sheet of paper. That's all I have for you today. Thanks for tuning in, and stay healthy. Have a good day, guys.